See, this is a database of a super shop, so still we're not start any function আমরা কিন্তু ফাংশনে কোনো কাজ করে কালকে খুব সিম্পল একটা কাজ ছিল ফাংশনের দ্যাট ওয়াজ সাম এটা এখানে সবার পারার কথা সো আমরা এখনো কি উইদাউট ফাংশন যে কাজগুলো করা যায় সেই কাজগুলো দেখতেছি সো একটা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে সবাই দেখেন এখানে যারা গত ক্লাসে ছিলেন তারা এখানে দেখছেন যে এখানকার যে এই হেডিংগুলো কলামে এই হেডিংগুলো কি হচ্ছে চলে যাচ্ছে তাই না সো আমরা এটাকে কি করতে পারি what we can do এটা just freezing it just freeze okay fine freeze then our first word story is conditional formatting so what is conditional formatting you don't need to understand it just you will get all answer after doing the things so just see this column about id this column about week ending this about store number this about sales region items number item description unit price unit sold and total so from total if I want to know or if you manager want to know find out the top 10 items then what you will do so there we can use function but without function we can find out this information by using not sorting that is conditional formatting so what we have to do first select the first item and then control shift down arrow so control shift then down arrow okay so control shift down arrow select all then go to conditional formatting then find out the top 10 items you will get another dialog box you may find out top 5 items or top 2 items or top 1 items and then format it or color it red you can choose a color from existing red white or green or you can custom it like same way we can also find top 10% not top 10% we can find top 1% top 2% 5% it depends on your data and your requirement then bottom 10 items bottom 10% it's very easy this is a normal thing then above average then below average then if you need more then you may also use your custom formula so custom formula is something advanced we don't need to go to custom formula at this time just then clear the rules then again go to the highlight cells and this is not about person or item this is about greater than 60,000 so sometimes your manager may ask you find out the top the person who by above 50,000. Who are my customer? Sometimes you may hear the rules, 80-20 rules. 80%, 20% people buy 80% items. So who are those 20%? Sometimes who are my top, who buy more than 1 lakh per year, even which shop order most 10%. So you have to find out this information for your organizations. If you work in a sales, if you work in sales department, or if you may work in some other department, you also use this thing. Then less than, sometimes less performer who are performing very overperforming hours. Let's find out them and offer them some discount. Then between 20 to 30,000, these are the average people. Then text that contents, this for text বের করার জন্য। then even date duplicate values, and at the same time more rules. You may make new rules for your problem. Sometimes you may make new rules. Then clear it. Then see data bars. Just see this one. So what is this? Can you tell me? Why color is? It depends on value. যে রেড কালারটা সবচেয়ে বেশি কোথায় হচ্ছে, যেখানে where the amount is higher amount. Then color scale. So again clear rules. Then why color scale? Obviously there is a rule, যে এখান থেকে আমি একটা রুল করছি যে তুমি 3 রকম ডাটার কালার করে নিবা। কি হবে? যে গ্রিন, those are performing very well, or those top 30%. Then yellow for top 30 to below 30 but not less than 30. Then 33 to 67. And another color below 30%, 33%. So we can also change our rule. So it is very easy. Even in your last class you may saw sorting. Now one thing is color sorting. So color filtering টা আপনারা এখনো দেখেন নাই। ফিল্টারিং দেখছেন? just see চেঞ্জটা কিভাবে হলো। do you see the change? just I just sort ascending order, মানে smallest to largest item. Then see green for top. So this is something from where we can understand our data. And then again clear rules. Then use icon. I can see from here. Red. So this is basically default rule. So even we can change. We can change a rule from here. আমরা এখান থেকে রুল চেঞ্জ করে কি এই ধরনের কাজগুলো করতে পারি। সো এখান থেকেও কিন্তু দেখা যাচ্ছে যে রেড মিনস দে আর পারফর্মিং বিলো, and yellow means they are performing well, and green means they are performing very well, and green yellow may they are performing moderately, they are performing moderately. Okay. So this is all about conditional formatting, and this basic thing, but you are at very beginning level, so first understand the basic, then we will cover advanced topic in later. Okay. So filtering